Coverage right now. The National Guard is preparing for that potential surge in cases in our state. They spent the day transforming part of a college campus into a field hospital. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live now at Southern Connecticut State University in New Haven with all the details. Matt?
Well, Dennis, members of the Connecticut Army and Air National Guard, they were out here, as you said, offloading 3 tractor-trailer trucks filled with supplies that will be turned this Moore Fieldhouse into a field hospital tomorrow, and they expect to start setting it up tomorrow. Off the truck and onto a forklift. Sergeant Jack GIRNIUS with the Connecticut Air National Guard says they train to execute missions just like this.
We use a lot of heavy equipment, forklifts, we're here to support FEMA and get this thing up and running to combat COVID.
Described as being essentially a hospital in a box, these containers will soon transform Southern Connecticut's Moore Fieldhouse into a mobile field hospital.
It'll sort of look like a scaled down version of what you've seen in places like New York and New Hampshire, where they've turned convention centers into essentially hospital floors.
A 250-bed setup here will serve as an overflow for patients with Yale New Haven Hospital in the region. That's because as the number of COVID-19 cases continues to climb, experts feel hospitals could quickly run out of room. That's where the state universities like Southern are stepping in as part of the governor's emergency response team.
To that end, we are working to make our facilities available, our large spaces, our gymnasiums, our auditoriums, our dormitories available to be sort of overflow spaces for medical personnel to not only provide care to patients, but also to stay on campus should they need to.
Connecticut State College and University System President Mark Ojakian says right now the plan is to use it for COVID-19 patients who don't require intense hospitalization, but still need to be monitored. Though he says it could change and end up being used for hospital patients with non-COVID related needs. Whatever the case, these National Guard members say they'll have it ready.
That's what it's all about. It's all about the service, That's what we're here for, so I'm happy to be a part of this.
And it's not just Southern. The president of the state college and university system says the state is actually looking at a number of other locations within their system as well. We'll have that part of the story coming up tonight at 6. We're live at the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Matt, thank you. The National